When everything is white, glimmering silver white, and stillness fills the night, it's Christmas.
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Sheryl with iSTYLEMYSTYLE, and today I thought I would share with you some things that I am bringing into my home for the holidays to make it feel all warm and cozy, especially since we're going to be stuck in our homes and we can't really go anywhere. So I want to make my home feel as comfortable and warm as possible, and also, I don't know, make it feel luxe. Yeah, this year I want it to feel luxe. So, as such, you guys know that I love restoration hardware, and I want to bring some of that restoration hardware inspired feeling into my home and into my bedroom. I've been making some changes in the bedroom. You guys haven't seen that, and I think I might reveal it for Christmas, even though it's not completely done yet, but I think it's okay to the point where you'll get the idea of what where I'm trying to go with the room. So today's video, I'm going to show you some things that I purchased on a budget to help me get that RH look, or the RH Luxe look for less. So we are going to start with this item here. I absolutely love it. It is so warm and so luxe. I picked this up from Reef, and just look at the fur quality. It is absolutely perfect, and it looks exactly like the RH fur that I will show here. Oh, so luxe, and this is fur going everywhere. This only cost me $37, so I absolutely love it. A little pricey, yes, but for the quality, you cannot go wrong. Now, to go along with that, I wanted to get a new duvet cover, and this one I really love. Take it out of the package so you can see the detail. It is quilted. I'm not going to take it all the way out, just enough so you can see, but it is a quilted material, very soft. Look at that, very RH inspired. I'll put up a photo here so you can take a look to see what I am talking about. So nice, and I picked this one up from Amazon, and I think it will give me the RH feel that I am going for in my master bedroom. And this is so luxe and so soft. I absolutely love it. I picked it up from Home Goods, and I don't remember how much I paid for it, but it has a velvet lining on the inside and the fur on the outside. Oh, can you just see the warm and cozy vibes? Absolutely love this. To go along with that, I saw this other item on the Restoration Hardware website, and yes, I peruse their website occasionally, maybe a few times. I'm not gonna lie, but I absolutely love everything they have. And I saw this, it's like a boucle, I think that's how you say it, throw, and I wanted one as well. So I went on the hunt and I found this one. I wanted an all white one. I couldn't find all white, so this one is actually off-white, kind of ivory in color, but I think it will still pair well with the fur throw. So I picked this one up, and I love the fringe detail, and it looks just like the RH one to me, and I will put up a photo here. And again, very inexpensive. I picked this up from Amazon, and if you're interested in this item, I will leave a link in the description box down below so you can take a look. And also, I am decorating my Christmas tree, one of them. I have 6. Yeah, 6 trees. But I'm decorating one of them in an RH modern style. So I had to pick up some ornaments, right? Yeah. So RH uses these really luxe and expensive looking ornaments. So last year, after Christmas, I showed you a bunch of holiday decor that I picked up. You guys, I'm going to show you what I did with that decor this year. I think it looks perfect in here. It was so cute. It's like a winter wonderland in here. And it's like November 20th, but I love it. Even my boyfriend loves it. But anyway, back to the ornaments. I wanted to use some really nice luxe ornaments, and luck would have it, I picked up those type of ornaments last year when I was hunting for after Christmas clearance. So if you missed those videos, I will leave a link for them either here or here, so you can go check those out to see what all I picked up last year. I scored some awesome deals and some great stuff, but the ornaments, oh my gosh. So this is the type of ornaments I'm talking about. I absolutely love it. It is mercury glass and very pretty. It looks very high end, so luxe. You'll see it's got a little metal tab at the top with a little loop. Absolutely love it. And this I picked up from Home Goods. Again, it was after Christmas clearance, and I want to say this was normally $6.99, and I got it for, I want to say 60 or 70% off. I don't remember. I have to go back and look at the video myself. I don't remember. But I absolutely love these, and I got several of these, and along with some other ornaments as well. So I'm not going to bore you and show you every single one, but just know they are in the style. And if you are interested on how I am going to decorate my RH inspired Christmas tree, make sure you hit that subscribe button, tap the notification bell, and become a member of the iSTYLEMYSTYLE family. I want to thank all of my family members. You guys, you are so great. I just love you, love you, love you. You guys give me so much support, and I want to thank you for that. I really love all the comments that you leave. It just warms my heart, especially during this time when we're all going through 2020. Need I say more? But anyway, thank you guys. And if you are new here, my name is Sheryl. I love all things home decor. I love decorating my home with style on a budget and trying to make it look a lot more expensive than it really is. So if that is something you are into as well, make sure you smash that subscribe button, tap that notification bell, and become a member of the family. So guys, I'm not gonna bore you with any more. And here we go. And the sun. Here comes the sun. Do 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 do. But hey, we all need a little vitamin D in our lives, right? Especially since we're not getting out as much. But anyway, guys, I hope you stick around so you can see my Christmas tree. My RH modern inspired Christmas tree. I think you're absolutely going to love it. Oh, I almost forgot. Yes, let me show you something else. So here is my Restoration Hardware inspired Reef. Again, the sun is playing havoc with us today, but I absolutely love it. I told you guys that I was inspired by the Reef that I saw in their 2018 catalog, and I wanted to recreate that look. So I just took a Reef that I already had, and I wrapped it with this eucalyptus vine, this Reef, and I think it is the perfect dupe for the Restoration Hardware Reef that I showed you earlier. I will put up a photo here. Let me know if you agree. I also showed you my Restoration Hardware inspired lanterns. I absolutely love those. Oh, I'm just so excited for the holidays this year. So again, if you are excited as well and you want to see how I finish decorating my home, I'm doing 2 styles, the RH Modern Christmas and my crystal and ice theme in the living room. So make sure you stick around and become a member of the family, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye, friends.